Make a great choice today with the 2016 GMC Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. And it's priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, anti-lock braking system, XM satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our 117-point inspection, 2 great GM warranties, free vehicle history report, and more, you can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.